appreciate that. Oh, let me get him out the little. It's like in a little hammock. You know what I mean? Come on now, relax. Oh, it smell good. It smell dumb good, son. Let's go in. Son, is this the Krusty Krab? Is this the... Oh my... I gotta be getting punched. This burger came straight from SpongeBob spatula, boy. Santana. Y'all get a 5 out of 5 stars. A 10 out of 10. I don't want to talk no more. Oh, look at it. Strawberry lemonade. You know what's over there?